Our top news this week: Atomos has just announced the Ninja 5 Pro Kit, further expanding the raw capabilities of their popular 5-inch monitor recorder. In addition to the Ninja 5, the new Pro Kit bundle includes a 5-inch sun hood, the Atom X SDI module, and a D-Tap power cable, among other accessories. Thanks to the added SDI input via the Atom X module, the Ninja 5 Pro Kit can record ProRes RAW from popular cinema cameras such as the Sony FX6 and FX9, which up until now can only do this with the Shogun 7. Other big features include HDMI to SDI cross-conversion, as well as dual 12G SDI support, further expanding monitoring options on set. And there is good news also for existing Ninja 5 owners, who will be able to purchase the RAW over SDI license key a bit later in February. Sony has also just released the long-awaited firmware update version 4 for their PXW Z280 and Z190 4K camcorders. The headline new feature in firmware version 4.0 is the added support for RTMP live streaming to a URL or a popular social media platform such as YouTube. Destination URL and stream keys can be obtained via a new piece of software called Streaming Setting Transfer, which is also available as a free download. Other improvements include more simplified HDR menu selections, as well as improved metadata support, and the addition of a simplified converted SDR monitoring option when filming in HDR. Innovative LED maker Nanlite has released their latest point source LED light for video professionals. The new Forza 300B is an upgraded bicolor version of their popular Forza 300 COB, allowing for a white color temperature adjustment from 2700 to 6500 Kelvin. Compact in size and portable, the Forza 300B has a native Bowens mount, giving users access to hundreds of light modifiers. The Forza 300B is a very powerful LED light that can output over 37,000 lux at 1 meter, and even more than double that with the optional Fresnel attachment. Well, that's it for this week. We'll be back next week with more news in 90 seconds.